Kumpiyansa si Meralco Bolts head coach Norman Black na makakabalik sila sa winning column sa pagharap nila sa Blackwater Elite ngayong gabi. Ito ay kahit pa nangangamba sila sa pagbabalik PBA ni veteran point guard Denok Miranda. Ang buong report mula kay Maria Isabel Reyes.
Ilang araw lamang makalipas ng thrilling double OT game kontra Global Port Batang Pier, magbabalik aksyon ngayong gabi ang Norman Black mentor team Meralco Bolts. Ayon kay head coach Norman Black, isa sa pinaghahandaan nila sa pagharap nila sa Leo Isaac squad ang pagbabalik sa PBA ni veteran point guard Dennis Denok Miranda. Papalitan ni Miranda sa lineup si former De La Salle point guard Alwan Vosotros na nalagay sa reserve list. Ayon kay Black, siguradong malaki ang boost na magagawa ng pagbabalik laro ni Miranda sa Batang Kupunan.
I guess the main thing when you talk about Miranda is that you have to be able to guard against him posting up your little guards because he does a good job of that. So that's going to probably be our focus, how to defend him if he starts getting down into the post area and starts posting up Jimmy Alapag and Andrew Karam and Sarah Mir.
Maliban kay Miranda, ini-activate din ng Blackwater si Bigman Huami Chongson kapalit ni injured Bigman JP Eram. Samantala, itinanggi naman ni Black na nakaapekto sa kupunan ng pagpapauwi nila kay Iranian shooting guard Muhammad Jamshidi. Ayon kay Black, hindi na-meet ni Jamshidi ang expectation ng kupunan matapos ang 5.2 points average sa loob ng 5 laro. 0 out of 16 din ito from beyond the arc.
Jamshidi was not playing that well for us when he was here. So I would not use that as an excuse for our loss last game. Rather, I'm a different type of coach, so I also give credit where credit's due. Global played very well. They were hungry for a win. Obviously, everybody in the league knows they're a lot better than their records, particularly since they have Stanley Pringle and Terrence Romeo. So I give them a little bit of credit too for the victory.
Naniniwala naman si Black na may malaking naituro sa kanila ang double OT loss sa Global Port noong linggo at target nilang dalhin ito sa kanilang laban ngayong gabi.
You want to play better defense. You want to maintain good defense as much as possible. Tonight, we're hoping that we can get off to a better start because I thought we got off to a very slow start against Global in our last game. But basically, just go out with confidence and just go out to win.
Kasalukuyan naglalaro ang Meralco Bolts kontra Blackwater Elite sa Smart Araneta Coliseum. Maria Isabel Reyes, PTV Sports.
Ako po si Cathy San Gabriel. Subscribe na sa PTV YouTube channel. I-click lang po ang subscribe button.